Good morning. Welcome to the International Democracy Day, September the 15th, 2022. This session is about women's rights under Vietnamese communism, brought to you from the Alliance of Vietnam's Democracy, in partnership with the Global Democracy Coalition. I'm Lin Nguyen, and I will be moderating. In the next hour, the speakers will reflect their research on the subject of Gender Economic Inequality in Vietnam from Dr. Nhatthien Nguyen, PhD. A Political Inequality for Vietnamese Women from Ms. Tha Nguyen, Christina Tha, JD. Human Trafficking, Sexual Assault, Exploitation, the Plights of Vietnamese Women and Girls from Ms. Nhat, LPC. Gender Inequality in Vietnam, Education, from Mr. Hung Phan, MED, and Inequality in Health and Security from Dr. Nhu Phúc Nguyen, MD. Thereafter, we will have a question and answer session. Please feel free to enter your questions in the Q&A tab, and we will end with a closing remark. But let's begin with the opening remarks from Dr. Nhatthien Nguyen, PhD. Dr. Nguyen is a professor of criminal justice, University of Houston, downtown, and president. He is also president of the Vietnam Democracy Center. Please welcome Mr. Nguyen.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the International Democracy Day. The chairman of Russian oil giant Lukoil, Ravil Markinov, has died after falling from a window in a Moscow hospital, according to the Russian state media. Previously, Mr. Markinov has spoken out against the war in Ukraine. Similarly, China's sweeping national security law in 2020 in Hong Kong is an attempt to silence and arrest anyone for speaking out against its one-party rule system and policies. In Vietnam, a noodle seller famous over a viral video that was widely viewed as mocking a top government official has been arrested, the latest in a crackdown on critics of the country's communist rulers. Whether you are in Russia, China, or Vietnam, any criticism against the government is met with arrest or death. The Alliance for Vietnam Democracy is proud to be part of the International Democracy Day to present women's rights under Vietnamese communism. Our goal is to give voices to the Vietnamese women who are severely punished for voicing their concerns over women exploitation and inequality under communist rule. Our distinguished expert panel will present the 5 topics to further expand and shed light on this issue. First, economic inequality. Second, political inequality. Third, sex and human trafficking. Fourth, education inequality. And fifth, healthcare inequality. Again, thank you for your participation.
Thank you, Dr. Nguyen.